Hi students, very good morning to all are fine. I hope you are fine. Last class what we discussed about food, yes. And before classes, one class I started the second lesson, components of food. Yes, what is the second lesson topic? Components of food. Yes, in that lesson already we discussed about what is nutrients and what are the types of nutrients. From that type already we discussed about carbohydrates, fats and vitamins. Once again, I am going to recall the same topic. Listen. Okay. What is nutrients? Let's define nutrients. Nutrients are substances that are needed by our body for proper growth and healthy body functions. Okay. What is called nutrients? Nutrients are substances that are needed by our body for proper growth and healthy body function. There are 6 main types of nutrients. Okay. Commonly, the nutrients are 2 types. Macro and micronutrients. Okay, the macronutrients we need large amount compared to micronutrients. Okay, what are the macronutrients? Okay, listen. What are the macronutrients means? The carbohydrates, fats and proteins, water, fiber. Okay, these 5 are macronutrients. Vitamins and minerals under the category of micronutrients. Here it is some. So first one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Dash nutrients provide energy to our body? Carbohydrates. Okay, so carbohydrates provide energy. First one, what is the function of carbohydrate? Carbohydrates provide energy. Fat. Fat is same like carbohydrates. The fat also provide energy. Next one, protein. Protein help in growth. Next one, vitamins. Vitamins help in physiological activities. Next one, minerals. Minerals act as regulators in physiological activities. Then water. Transport food, regulate body temperature. Fiber, healthy digestive system. From this already we discussed about carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Once again, some carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body, which keep our body throughout healthy. Yes, there energetic, right? Energetics. There are 2 major types of carbohydrates. So what are the types of carbohydrates present in sugar and starch? What are the major types of carbohydrates present in food? Sugar and starch. Okay, what are the food items containing sugar? Fruits, tablespoon of sugar and honey. Okay, this sugar is also known as simple carbohydrate. Starch. What are the food sources containing starch? Wheat, rice, potato, maize, bread. Yes, these are the food items containing starch. The starch is a complex carbohydrate. Okay, you already know the plants store food in the form of starch. Yes, when we eat plant food, our digestive system converts the starch into sugar. Yes, sugar is glucose. Yeah, so starch into glucose. Glucose is the simplest form of sugar. Is then absorbed by the blood and it provides energy to our body. Okay, after digestion, the food is absorbed into the blood and provide energy to our body and keep our body full day energetic. Are you clear? The next one, fat. Next one what? Fat. Same like carbohydrates, the fat also provide energy to our body. What are the types of fats? Saturated and unsaturated fats. What are the food items containing saturated fats? Butter. Yes, this is a saturated fats. Listen, the saturated fats are normally solid at room temperature. Okay, the dense fats are normally solid at room temperature, saturated fats. The unsaturated fats are normally liquid at room temperature. Keep in mind, what are the example of saturated fats? Butter. Unsaturated example, oil. And other food items like fried fish, fried chicken and egg. These also food items contain fat. Okay, the more amount of fat stored in our body means what will happen? Obesity. Obesity leads to heart attack. Okay. The next one, proteins. Next one what? Proteins. Proteins are needed by our body for muscle building and repairing own of parts. Okay, listen. Proteins are needed by our body for repairing bone or parts and muscle building. The protein is the building block of our body. Repairing bone or parts means if any injury happen, means if you take more amount of protein food, means what will happen? The wound will be healed. Okay, there is a repair. Then if you do not eat protein, means what happen? Our body reproduce new cells. Okay, the blood cells also contain protein. So, what are the food sources contain protein? Plant food source and animal food source contain proteins. Plant sources and animal sources contain proteins. What are the examples of animal sources? No, green green gram, dal, wood dal, peas, soya beans. These are the food items contain proteins. Walnuts, badam. These are the food items contain proteins. Animal sources like all the milk products, paneer, ghee, cheese, and the fish, chicken. These items also contain proteins. Once again, listen. Proteins are needed by our body for muscle building and repairing our tissue. Our muscle, organ, and even blood also contain proteins. If we do not eat protein-rich food, our body will not be able to repair damaged part and not be able to produce new cells. Okay, if the small children they want to grow, means they need more amount of proteins. Are you clear? Then what are the food sources contain protein? Plant food source and animal sources. What are the plant sources contain protein? The chickpeas, soybeans, mung gram, then after wood dal. Yes, these are the food walnuts. Yes, nuts. These are the food items contain proteins. And the animal sources like the milk products, fish, egg, yes, and chicken. These are the food items contain proteins. Are you clear? Then next one, micronutrients. Okay, vitamins and minerals. Today we are going to discuss about vitamins and minerals. You see these two will be under the category of micronutrients. Micronutrients are two types. What are they? Vitamins and minerals. Here you see vitamins are needed by our body for proper functioning. Yes, our body need vitamins. Vitamins are needed for proper functioning of our body. Yes, it will improve our immunity. Okay, vitamins are needed for the proper functioning of our body. They keep they help keep our eyes, bones and teeth strong and healthy. Okay, vitamins help to keep our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. Totally 13 types of vitamins are there. All the vitamins have specific functions. Commonly the vitamins are two types. What are they? Fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. What are the types of vitamins? Fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Here you see, what are the examples of fat soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, D, E and K. These four under the category of fat soluble vitamins. What are the vitamins contain? What are the vitamins come under the category of fat soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, D, E and K. Water soluble vitamins. Vitamins B complex and vitamin C. These two groups are under the category of water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B complex means vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, B12 and folic acid. This will be under the category of B complex. Yeah. These fat soluble vitamins are stored in the fat tissue of our body. Okay. This vitamin stored in the fat tissue of our body, fat soluble vitamins. Okay. And they are used only when the body needs them. Okay. When they need that time only these vitamins will be used. Then our body prepares vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Okay, our body prepare vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Are you clear? Also listen, fat soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E and K. Okay, these are stored in the fat tissue of our body and are used only when the body needs them. Next one, our body prepare vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Yeah. Okay. Then next one, what water soluble vitamins. Next one, what water soluble vitamins. The vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, then folic acid and vitamin C are water soluble vitamins. Okay. The water soluble vitamins are not stored in our body. Okay. This need to be regularly supplied through food items. Okay. So if you want to need more amount of vitamins B complex and vitamin C means you want to take more amount of green leafy vegetables, spinach, orange, lemon, this type of food we want to take. Then we get these water soluble vitamins. Okay. The lack of vitamins in our body leads to several deficiency diseases. Are you clear? Then next one, minerals. Next one what? Minerals. Okay. Like vitamins, minerals also keep our body stay healthy. Okay. Like vitamins, minerals also keep our body healthy and it also used for the formation of bones, teeth and blood cell and also to maintain the normal heartbeat. Okay, listen. Like vitamins, the minerals also help our body to stay healthy. The minerals are used for the formation of bones, teeth and blood cells and also to maintain the heartbeat. Okay. Minerals are two types. Minerals are two types. This is the important question. Minerals are two types. What are the types of minerals? Macro minerals and trace minerals. Macro and trace minerals. Macro minerals. Macro means large. Okay, what does the mean macro? Macro means large. The macro minerals are needed by the body in large amount. Okay, the macro minerals are needed by our body in large amount. Compared to trace minerals, we need more amount of macro minerals. Okay, what are the examples of macro minerals? What are the examples of macro minerals? Here you see calcium, magnesium, sodium and potassium. What are the examples of macro minerals? Calcium, magnesium, sodium and potassium. Yeah, these are the examples of macro minerals. Listen, what are the food items containing calcium? Milk products and egg also contain calcium. Yes, the milk products like cheese, butter, paneer, milk. Yes, this food product contain calcium. Yes, calcium is required for our body for proper functioning of teeth, bones and proper nerve functioning. Yes, we need calcium for proper growth of teeth, bones and healthy nerve functioning. Already we studied this in lesson 1. Yeah, food. Okay. Then magnesium. What are the food item contain magnesium? Meat. Yes, fish. This food item contain magnesium. Sodium. No, bread, sandwich. Yes, cheese. These are the food items contain sodium. Then potassium. The citrus, vitamin C, citrus fruits such as orange, lemon. Okay, these are the food items contain potassium. Then next, trace minerals. Next one what? Trace minerals. Okay, these are needed by our body in very small amount. Okay, compared to macro minerals, small amount of trace minerals enough in our body. Then what are the examples of trace minerals? What are the examples of trace minerals? What are the examples? Iron, zinc, copper, iodine. What are the examples of trace minerals? Iron, zinc, copper, iodine. Okay, these are the examples of trace minerals. First one, what? Iron. Yes. What are the food items contain iron? Spinach. Okay, the green leaf vegetables contain iron. Yes. Then zinc. What are the food items contain zinc? The cereal grains. Yes, whole grains. Okay, the nuts, walnuts. These are the food items contain zinc. Then copper. Okay, dark green leaf vegetables and the dry fruits like cocoa. Okay, black peppers. These are the food items contain copper. Then iodine. No, salt. Iodized salt and marine fish contain iodine. Yeah, are you clear? Okay, once again listen. What are the types of macronutrients? Vitamins and minerals. These two vitamins we need Why we need these two vitamins? Because it is helpful for a proper functioning of our body, and it keep our body healthy. Yes, and it improve our immunity. Okay, these are the fruits, vegetables, the animal products contain more amount of vitamins and minerals. Okay, fruits, vegetables, some of the animal products like milk, meat, egg. This all the food items contain more amount of minerals and vitamins. Okay, first one, vitamins. Vitamins are needed for proper functioning of our body. Also, the vitamins keeps our eyes, bones, teeth and gum healthy. Okay. Vitamin C deficiency means what happens? Scurvy. Okay, bleeding in the gum. Okay, so it keep our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. There are totally 13 types of vitamins are there. All the vitamins have specific functions. Okay, commonly we say vitamins are two types: fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. The vitamin A, D, E and K under the category of fat soluble vitamins. These fat soluble vitamins are stored under the fat tissue. Okay, fat tissue. Then water soluble vitamins: vitamin B complex and vitamin C. These vitamins are under the category of water soluble vitamins. The next one, what? Minerals. Like vitamins, minerals also help our body to stay healthy. Okay, minerals perform important functions such as formation of teeth, bones and blood cells, and also it maintains the normal heartbeat. Minerals are two types. Okay, listen, what are the types of minerals? Macro minerals and trace minerals. Here you see, what are the examples of macro minerals? Calcium, magnesium, sodium and potassium. Then what are the examples of trace minerals? Iron, zinc, copper and iodine. What are the food sources containing calcium? All the milk products contain calcium. What are the food items containing magnesium? Fish, meat, yes. Sodium. What are the food items containing sodium? The bread, burger, that items. Potassium. Green. Which food items? Citrus fruits. Yeah. Then iron. Okay, the green leaf vegetables contain more amount of iron. Then zinc, whole grains and milk products. Yes, these are the items contain zinc. Then copper. Copper, what are the food items contain copper? What are the food items? Bread is not bread. Okay, thick green leafy vegetables and dried nuts like cocoa and the black peppers. These are the food items contain copper. Then iodine. Yes. The salt contain iodine. Are you clear? Now everyone take your book. Take your book. First you take page number 23. Page number 23. Okay. Here is it. Ruby has baked an apple pie for the sister. Okay. You know what are the ingredients need to make apple pie? Okay. Egg, flour, butter, sugar and apple. Okay, what are the ingredients need? Identify the main nutrients present in each ingredient added to the apple pie. What are the ingredients we need for the preparation of apple pie? Egg, flour, butter, sugar, apple. Okay, flour means wheat flour. Okay, here egg. Egg contain which nutrient? Protein. Egg contain which nutrient? Proteins. Next, flour. Wheat flour contain which nutrient? Carbohydrate. Wheat flour, rice flour contain which nutrient? Carbohydrate. Then butter. Butter contain fat. Then next one what? Sugar. Sugar is under the category of carbohydrate. It is a simple carbohydrates. Yeah. Then apple. Apple contain vitamins and minerals. Yes, fruits and vegetables contain more amount of vitamins and minerals. So it under the category of vitamins and minerals. Once again listen. Egg contain which nutrient? Protein. Then flour contain carbohydrate. Then butter contain fat. Fourth one, sugar contain carbohydrate. Next, fifth one, apple contain vitamins and minerals. Did you mark? Okay, then another question also have. Do you think any nutrient is missing in this dish? No. Yes, all the nutrients are present here. Yes, here the apple have water also. Yes, fiber also present in apple. Okay. Are you clear? Now take page number 26. 26. What are the types of vitamins? What are the types of vitamins? Here you underline. Okay, what are the types of vitamins? Vitamins are two types. What are they? Fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Next, what are the fat soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, D, E and K are fat soluble vitamins. Next one. The fat soluble vitamins are stored in the dead tissue of our body. Okay. The fat soluble vitamins are stored in dense tissue of the body. What is the answer? Fat tissue. Okay. Dense vitamins are stored in the fat tissue of our body. Fat soluble vitamins. Okay. The next one. What are the water soluble vitamins? Vitamin B complex and vitamin C are water soluble vitamins. Underlined. Okay. The next one, minerals. Okay. What are the types of minerals? Macro minerals and trace minerals. Okay. Let's take page number 34. Why are Roman 4 second question. Okay. Why are minerals important for the body? Describe the two groups of minerals. Page number 26. Okay, here you want to just like vitamins, minerals also help our body to stay healthy. Okay, minerals perform important functions such as formation of bones, teeth and blood cell and also maintaining normal heartbeats. Minerals are two types, macro minerals and trace minerals. First one what? Macro minerals. Macro minerals are needed by the body in large amount compared to trace minerals. What are the examples of macro minerals? Calcium, magnesium, sodium and potassium. Then trace minerals. These are needed by the body in very small amount. What are the examples of trace minerals? Iron, zinc, copper and iodine. This much Roman 4 second question. This is your study portion. Thank you.